most of you, like going into second grade, this will be a big learning place. And going into third grade, it could be a learning place too. And first, we're gonna start off with multiplication. And the first question is 40 times 3. And if you write it down on a paper, you can pause this video if you want to write it down. But here's how you do it. So you write it down. It's not like 40 times 3. You go down, and then when you see the 0 times 3, that's 0. So you put the 0 under, and then you go to the tens digit, and you times the tens digit to what you're timing. So 4 times 3, which is about 12. And then your answer will be 120. And now moving on to more...
good job.
Moving on to a little of line multiplication.
Delicious.
So the first one on mine is 4 times 13. And what you're going to do is it's a line. And then when you in your brain, you make this math fact where you make 4 times 3, which I already said in the video, is 12. And then you put the 2 in the ones place, and then you put the 1 over the tens place, and then you add 1 times 4 or 4 times 1, which is 4, and then you add the 1 that you had, and then 4 plus 1 is 5, and then that will equal 56. And I don't know if I got all the first math, but let me check just a sec.
He's gone. Hey guys, so it's me, Hunter. I'm just here recording a Math with Baby episode for Nathan, so here it goes.
What are you doing? Are you recording?
Maybe.
Alright. I'm going to start the scene in 10. Alright guys, I got the math wrong on this sheet of paper. I wrote 56, but it's supposed to be 52. Sorry about that, guys, because I just learned that. But I wanted to show you guys my skills. So that is complete if you have a 52 as your answer. And if you made all those facts, please make sure they're right. And this will move on to our multiplication, which I'm about to get.
My brother just ran away again to go get a pencil or something, so I'm talking right now.
Alright.
I'm almost ready to film. Just get comfortable. So.
You can start recording whenever you want.
3.
Alright guys, now we're going to move on to a page that they called Greater Products, and this just fell. So, Greater Products is pretty much harder times tables, like this and this, and if you don't know how to do these, it might be a little different to you guys if you check it out, but it's the same as that. So the first one, it says 9 times 8 is 72, right? And then there's a 7 above the tens place and a 2 below the ones place. And then you do the 1 times 8, which is 8, plus 7 is 15. You put the 1 in the hundreds place, and then you put the 5 under the tens place. And then 3 times 8, 8, 16, 24. And then you put the 24, or you put the put the 20 plus 1 is 25, and then you just make, and then the 5 goes right in the 100, below the 100th place. There's no thousandth place, so you're gonna make a comma, and then the 2, and then what your answer will be 2,552. And now we're gonna move on to down here. It's still greater products, and if you're very smart in your minds right now, you'll be able to figure the ones, which is the line patterns, which I call, but it's the hundreds times. So, for an example, if you could figure this out on your own, 8 times 317, and I'll just move on to this one, because if you want to answer it, you can. So the next one is 246 times 6. So 6 times 6 is 36. You put the 6 right on the line, and then you put the 3 above the tens place. And then 4 times 6, 4 times 6 is 19, right? Yeah, 4 times 6? 6, 12, 18, 24. Alright, let's just move on. And I think, yeah, it's 19. It's 19. And then 2 times 6 is 12. And then you have the 12 plus 1. 12 plus 1 is 13. And then the answer for you will be 1,396. And for the last bit, I had a math packet, but I'm going to just bring it next episode. But this doesn't wrap up our episode now. And what I'm going to do is a few questions to answer. Well, guys, sorry, I can't do the questions, but I will do it next time, which will be in a long time, because I have to study my division facts, and then I'm gonna get to some of those division, and then go into other grades and show you other things. So this will go on for a long time until I'm like grown up. And if you enjoy this series, leave a like on all these videos, except the ones that are bad. And then, I have to wrap up this episode, so hope you guys all enjoyed this episode. Leave a like or dislike, and if you want to share a comment, please share a comment in the comment section down below, and I'll see you next time, guys. Peace out.
I just recorded a clip for my brother. It was really good.